All right. Today, we're going to discuss the 5 main reasons why you're not making money online. So let's go ahead and talk about it, okay? Let's get into it. All right. My name is Charles Diggs, and I just like to thank you for tuning into my channel where we talk about business for the regular guy. Sometimes in online business, we can be we can be go on this journey, and we don't understand a lot of the different things about online businesses. So on this channel, I try to break things down so that you can have a better understanding on the psychology of business strategies, different tips, all these things online. Why don't you hit that subscribe button, okay, and that like button, all right, for me, all right? So let's begin. Number one, the first reason why a lot of times that we don't succeed on our online business is that um, we have a lack of self confidence in ourselves and in our ability. We don't take enough risks on our online business. Lots of times we may take online courses or different things like that, and we don't follow through. We may see our own colleagues succeed in their online business and make money, but we ourselves, we try to compare ourselves with other people, other business owners. Okay, so what you need to do, don't compare yourself to other business owners. Okay, so build up your self-esteem about yourself. Okay, have enough confidence in you and in your ability, okay, to succeed online. The next reason why a lot of people don't succeed online, don't make any money online, is do you bring some type of value? Do you bring some type of value to the table? You know, a lot of us, we just dream about our online business, right? And we think we make all this whole bunch of money, right? But we don't take a realistic approach to online. Okay, think about it. We think about, man, we see those advertisements, don't we? Man, I want to make $100,000 in 1 year, right? Well, that might not be the case for you. You're just starting out, okay? But do you deserve it? Listen to what I'm saying. Do you really deserve it? And let me explain. What do you have to offer? Okay? What type of skill sets do you have, right, to bring to the table? All right? Let's break this down. Okay? Your athlete, your movie stars, your entertainers, your musicians, right? They just did not just pop up from out of nowhere and making a whole lot of money. That's the realistic thing about this. But for some reason, we get online, trying an online business, and we think that we can make $100,000. Okay? You may not be there yet. Okay? So just think about the average pro football player, right? Most likely they started when they were little bitty kids playing Y ball, right? And it started in middle school, high school, college, then pro, right? So you got to kind of think things like that. It took some time. In other words, it took time. And so, do you really deserve that $100,000 a year income for a business, right? You have to develop systems, right? Different types of skill sets, right? Learn how to sell, those type of things. So you need to start thinking about that, okay? Do you bring something to the table of value? Okay. The next reason why people do not make money online is the fear of failure. They have a fear that they're going to fail, and in their minds they think that, oh, I can't do it. Okay, you have to get yourself out there. Okay, you cannot have any type of fear, right, on your online business. If you want to succeed, you're going to make some mistakes. All right, that's just in the territory. That's just life. You're going to make some mistakes. But if you make mistakes, okay, you fail, learn from your mistakes. That's very important. It's very important that you will learn from your mistakes and move on. Okay, so don't be in fear. But a lot of times we get in fear and then we don't move. We don't do anything towards our business. Okay. The next reason why people don't succeed online is that they want to perfect everything. They want everything perfect in their business. Oh, if their website is not perfect, they're not going to put it out there. Or their YouTube channel, if that video is not perfect, they're not going to put it out there. So that person is stuck because they want to perfect everything. Okay, and so that leads to for them not doing anything. Not saying that they don't progress, but they're not going forward in their business because they want everything perfect, everything lined up. Okay, and so go ahead, put yourself out there. Go ahead. It doesn't matter what's going on in your business. If everything is not going to be 100% perfect, go ahead, put it out there. Okay. You may say, well, I'm not a good speaker, or I stutter or whatever. Just go ahead, put yourself out there, because just think about it. All right. In any business, you may have what's called on the job training, right? Well, think about this on your online business. You're on the job training, right? So you're going to perfect yourself as you go along. Okay. So just remember that everything is not going to be perfect. Everything is not going to be, 100% perfection. But if you continue just little bit by little bit, step by step, put yourself out there. See, the thing is, you play like you practice. You ever heard that? All who have played athletic sports before, you play like you practice. Okay, so this is kind of like a practice section. So you have to continue to put yourself out there every day as much as possible. Okay, as many reps as some of us used to say back in the day, as many reps as possible to go forward. That's the only way you're gonna be able to succeed. The last reason why people are not successful on their online business is because they do not take action whatsoever. They don't take action. They may buy a course, they may buy some sort of type of product or some sort of type of software or something, and they don't take action. Why is that? When we have an online course and you say, I'm running business for myself, and we take in all this information, called information overload. We take all this information and we don't do anything with it. Okay, what have you learned? And then you try to apply it. What course have you took? And then you apply that course. And so that's what happens. We have this, we kind of shut down. We'll read the books, we'll take the seminars, we'll take the courses, but we don't put what we learned to action. That's the reason why some people are not successful online, because they do not take action. They just dream. They have this fantasy thing that something's going to happen, but it's not unless you take some action to it. Okay? Everything begins with a thought. Everything begins with a thought. But with that thought, you got to take action with that thought or that idea. Okay? So you have an online business, take massive action. Do what you can do. Move that business along. Every day, you should be doing something towards your online business. Take action. Even when you don't see the results, be consistent and take action. Well, that is the 5 reasons why people don't make money online or are not successful. Those 5 reasons. This is Charles Diggs. I so thank you for coming to my channel. So, what do you think about the situation with people making money online? Okay, I also have an opportunity right here online that can give you quick wins, but you have to apply yourself. Okay, look down below to this YouTube channel, and you'll see my #1 opportunity that I'm in that works for me. Okay, for the regular guy, just sign up. Okay, y'all stay cool and be blessed. Thank you so much, and I'm out.